told your friend you're not okay? And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until
The Miracle Air Blend Sponge. Matte, airbrushed finish. Antimicrobial memory foam. Blends, contours, conceals like no other. Full coverage. Smooth finish. The new matte favorite from the #1 makeup sponge brand, the Miracle Air Blend Sponge. Real techniques.
This is my Yucky sponge, and this is my new sponge. So we are using the Real Techniques sponge, and we're going to see how this works. My first time using this brand of makeup sponge. Okay, so the Real Techniques Miracle Sponge. This is the first time I'm using this. You usually want to start out with a damp sponge. Use it with your like tinted moisturizer, your foundation, your concealer. I like that it has kind of like the precision tip right here. It has your flat edge. I rarely use that just with any of my sponges, but obviously it's going to cover a lot more area. And then this other edge right here. And it blends well. It doesn't streak, so obviously I'm tapping and I'm not like rubbing. It blends well. It's good for like a light to medium coverage. The concealer I'm using right now is like a medium coverage, but I like that there's no streaking, there's no like gunkiness, and it blends well. It feels really nice, and we like it. Kind of a seamless finish. I'll show you my finished product when my finished face when I'm done. But usually I'll use this for a sponge for my concealer, and another little kind of precision sponge like this for my contouring. I do a little bit of contouring, but yeah, we like it. It's nice. Okay, so this is kind of your daily final look. Nothing too fancy, not a makeup artist, just, you know, an old mom, but tried out this new sponge, this new blending sponge today. I like it. No streaks, no funky buildup. It's nice and light, and just make sure that you clean your sponges on a regular basis to keep them clean and no yuckies on your skin. But you can kind of look a little bit closer. It blends well. We like it.